Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines on a laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the game system requirements. For optimal performance, an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 processor is highly recommended. You'll also want at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, especially if you plan on using many mods or building expansive cities. A dedicated graphics card with 4 gigabytes of RAM is essential for a smooth visual experience. To enhance your gameplay experience, optimizing in-game settings is key. Start by reducing demanding graphical options such as shadow quality and anti-aliasing. Lowering your screen resolution, perhaps to 1280 by 720 pixels, can significantly boost frame rates. Consider disabling dynamic weather and the day-night cycle to further lighten the processing load. Also, be mindful of your active mods and assets. Fewer can mean greater stability. Maintaining your laptop's health is vital for sustained gaming. Use a cooling pad or ensure excellent ventilation to prevent overheating, which can throttle performance. Before starting Cities Skylines, close all non-essential background applications to free up system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers ensures you have the latest optimizations and compatibility. Always play with your laptop plugged into power to avoid performance drops from battery-saving modes. Mods can greatly enhance Cities Skylines, but smart choices are crucial for laptop users. Prioritize performance-friendly mods that offer significant gameplay improvements without heavy graphical demands. Focus on essential quality-of-life enhancements over purely cosmetic additions. The loading screen mod is highly recommended as it optimizes asset loading and reduces memory consumption. Remember to regularly clean out any unused assets and mods to keep your game running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.